Introducing the Tohnichi LC1400N3-G Torque Tester, a revolutionary tool designed to streamline your torque wrench maintenance and calibration processes. With its wide torque range of 900 to 12,000 lbf/in, this advanced tester caters to various applications in the assembly industry. The improved quick check function offers instant and accurate torque wrench testing, boosting efficiency in your production line. The color-coded LCD display provides a clear pass or fail judgment, simplifying result interpretation. Moreover, the built-in statistical processing functions automatically calculate minimum, maximum, and mean values, giving you valuable insights into your torque data. The LC1400N3-G also allows you to read the actual running torque, enabling precise adjustments and ensuring accurate fastening results. With an accuracy of 1% and a resolution of 10 lbf/in, this tester guarantees reliable and repeatable measurements. It supports multiple units of measure, providing versatility for different applications. The peak hold function captures and displays the maximum torque value, allowing for easy reference. Data output via USB enables convenient data transfer and analysis. Powered by AC 100V, the LC1400N3-G is ready to integrate seamlessly into your existing setup. Elevate your torque wrench maintenance and calibration processes with the Tohnichi LC1400N3-G Torque Tester. Its wide torque range, quick check function, and statistical processing capabilities make it an indispensable tool for ensuring the accuracy and reliability of your torque wrenches. Invest in this advanced tester and experience peace of mind, knowing that your assembly operations are backed by precise and dependable torque measurements.